Hi everyone, it's Kim. I wanted to show you this really cute little project that I just finished. It is inspired by Tuesday Moriarty. She has a PDF that you can download. Unfortunately, my computer wasn't working, so it's inspired by her, but I used my own way to do it. What I started with, I was able to print out her tags, and that's as far as it got. And the extras I did by myself. So the papers in the background, and this is from Walmart. It's called French Prep Designer paper. And the little decorations that go inside, or the little ephemera, is this from DCWV, Maps, Text, and Ledgers. And they have some really cute little papers in there like that. So you'll be able to see those in just a minute. And like I said, it's inspired by her. You need to go look at her video, and I will post it down below for you. So anyway, I put a tie on mine because I've never done this before. Not with an eyelet. I just got a couple eyelets, so I decided to use them. And my front cover has, this is more like a travel journal, you know, based on the maps, texts, and ledgers. So I have a couple little, you know, cards that you would use for travel. And this was also in that book, and I have some of my own stamps that I collect that I put on the cover. So I have a couple little tags here. I have to do something on the side of them to get them out a little bit easier, I think, because my hands just aren't working very well today. This one says trip information, point A, point B. This one here, rating your trip. I figured if you went on a trip and you wanted to use some of these things, you could, you know, take them out of this later. There is a double pocket here, as you can see. I think that was really clever. Things to remember, a trip checklist I put in there. And again, just some other little ephemera that you might use on a trip. I'll show you the whole thing open once I get done with the first flip through. This opens up here. Once again, there's some more information if you are going on a trip. Best part of the trip, best moment. Those were things I might want to write down that I never, you think you're going to remember this stuff, but you don't. So it's really important to write this stuff down. Okay, and that just closes like this. Now her closures are different, just what I chose to do. Okay, on the back we have another spot that holds some postcards. I like the way this turned out. This is, of course, she decided that we were going to have a little notepad in there, but because the maps, texts, and ledgers had this little paper here, I decided to make that my notebook. I thought that turned out really cute, and I really like the way that this fits in there. And then the back page. So this is how it looks open. You have, this is your front here. I have my postcards, my information, my little notebook, and then on the back I have my other information that I would want. So I think it turned out really cute. I was really inspired. I love the cloth closure, hinges, because you won't have to worry about them ripping. They're never going to rip. They're never going to come apart, and it makes it really easy to open and close and do whatever you need to take your journal with you. So anyway, there you go. My little journal. Thank you, Tuesday. I really enjoyed it, and I hope you all do. And go check out her video, which, like I said, I will post below so that you can make one of your own. Have a wonderful day, everybody.